Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try very interesting art piece. There is an Indian festival coming up called Diwali that is celebrated mostly in India. In Diwali we buy gifts for our loved one and decorate our houses. Therefore, our art piece today is based on this festival. I am sure you are going to enjoy. So let's get started. Before we get started today, let's get our supplies. First we need a piece of wood. I got this from the construction site, but you can use any of one you have. This little piece of wood are what I grab at Home Depot. You also need wood glue to stick. Also grab powder, a bowl, brushes and mixing stick. Then get some clay. You can use any type of clay you have as long as you can make molds out of it. Get some carving tools that you might need and plaster of Paris. Finally, we need colors. We need acrylic paint and spray paint. First, we need to get a ball of clay and roll it out. After we do that, then pat it out and flatten it. I am going to use a little bit powder so the clay does not stick. After we placed it on the powder, let's start molding. Use water to smooth out the surface of clay. First I am going to outline the drawing for my Ganesha and then we can start carving. I don't do clay work a lot, so I am trying my best. Please comment how I did in the comment section. Now I am going to carve the eye. Let's start smoothing out the clay with water again. If you want to, then you can write the Om sign. I am going to write it right now and then go over it with the 3D paint. You can add details as per your choice to the Ganesha. This is air dry clay, so it is going to take at least 24 hours to dry. I am back with my Ganesha mold and it is ready now. Now using same process, we have to make all of our little molds. The first thing I am going to make is this Om. And then the swastik. Om means the supreme spirit and the swastik means luck and divinity. For now, all my molds are ready. We will make some later for decorations. Let's put all our molds aside for now and bring out wood base. We are going to stick everything on this. I am going to use this layout, but it mainly depends on you and how you want it to be. Let's get started with our little decoration items now and see how it's going to look like. Now in this bowl, we are going to take some plaster of Paris and mix it in with wood glue and water. Get it to this consistency. Pour that on your wood base. This step was optional, so if you don't have plaster of Paris, then you can just glue your pieces onto the wood. Now my frame are ready for color. Now we are going to start spray painting. I am going to cover this sign up with plastic wrapper because I don't want to put color there. Let's do the second one really quickly too. Before we start spraying, put some gloves so it does not get on you. I am not sure how this one going to look, but I am very excited to see it. So let's start spraying now. I am going to use navy blue spray paint because I have this one, but you guys can use any color you want. We are going to cover up whole thing right now and then use paint over it. I am going to go under the clay too, so I can fill up every space. Also make sure to the side of the wood. We are done with the front, so get ready to do the back side. We finish our spray painting now, so let's give it time to dry. For it to completely and dry it to about take 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so we are back and ready to start painting. I am going to use acrylic paint for this. You may need to add multiple layers for your paint to be vibrant. Let's do the back of our sign white. Finally, add different shade of your colors and put some depth. Okay, so this is our finished product. I really like how this turned out, and I hope you all were able to follow along fine. Subscribe to watch more videos, like and comment what do you think for this.